Hi guys, welcome to another SideGains video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress category drop-down menu and how to add it to your main site navigation bar. It's pretty straightforward, it should only take you a minute or so literally. Here's my home page and I want to add my categories drop-down menu here. And the first thing to do is to go to your admin area in WordPress. From your admin area, you need to go to Appearance, hover over that, and then click Menus. You can see in my case it defaults to the menu called Top Menu, which is my main navigation menu. Here it is on my home page. Adding a categories menu is pretty easy, as I say. Go to Custom Links, remove the URL stub, and replace it with a hash symbol. The link text is the word or words that will display in your navigation menu. I'm going to use the word categories, but of course you can call it what you like. Once you've added your text link, click the Add to Menu button. You can see it's appeared beneath the other items currently in my navigation menu. What I need to do now is to pull all my categories into the categories link I've made to make a kind of sub-menu. So back in your Add Menu Items area, expand the Categories section. I want to include all my categories, so I select all and then click the Add to Menu button. You can see they've all appeared beneath the categories link I just made. If I now save this, it will add all the category items into my menu and display them on the same line. I don't want that. I want them all nested beneath the categories link. So hover over the items you want nested and you'll see the pointer icon change to a move icon. You just need to click on each category item and drag it slightly to the right so that it appears indented beneath the category text link. Don't drag them too far across, as they will nest again and become sub-menus. Just make sure they all line up beneath the main categories text link. When they're all aligned and in line with each other, below the category text link, click Save. There you go, that's saved my menu. If I go back to the home page and click refresh, you can now see my new menu item is added to the end of my navigation bar. I'm going to move that because I want it to appear next to my home link in the menu. So I just need to go back to my WordPress admin area, hover over my categories text link, and click and drag the categories link beneath the home link. You can see this pulls all the nested menu items together. I just need to click Save Menu again, go back to my home page and click Refresh, and there you can see my new WordPress categories menu link with all my categories nested beneath it. As I say, it's pretty simple and will take you less than a minute to do. Thanks for watching. Be sure to come back soon for more tips and tricks. This is Paul from SideGains.com. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to check back soon for more videos, but in the meantime you can find lots of tips, tricks and tutorials about anything related to blogging and making money online at SideGains.com.